How to use Truecaller for call blocking on your Android or iOS device. Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorial Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to use Truecaller for call blocking on your Android or iOS device. So now let's get started. First of all, install the Truecaller app on your device. To install Truecaller app, go to the Play Store or Apple Store. Now search for Truecaller and install it. Once the app is installed, open it and navigate to Settings. Now tap on Calls and there you can see the Spam Protection option. Now activate the spam protection to stop spam calls. To block specific numbers, go to a specific number, tap on it and select Block. And now the specific number will be blocked. On Android devices, you can also enable the Block Unknown Numbers option in the settings. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope that this version provides a clear and straightforward guide.